talk about how to actually fit these boosted trees in R. So you're going to load the Tidy Models package like we have for all of our other models. And now instead of using the decision_tree or the rand_forest function, we're going to use boost_tree to indicate that we'd like to fit a boosted tree. And the engine, we're going to set the engine to XGBoost because that is the package that has the boosted models that we were trying to fit. It's possible that this is not installed yet. If you're using RStudio Cloud, it should be installed, but in RStudio Pro, it might not be. And so you can do install.packages XGBoost to get that installed. So the mode you're going to set the same way that you would for a bagged tree or random forest. And so for this example, I'm going to use the heart data where I'm trying to predict heart disease using a bunch of patients' characteristics. And so this is a classification problem, and so I'm going to set the mode equal to classification for that. Tree depth here is going to be the depth of each of these trees. So let's set it to 1 since we discussed that's a pretty good default. Trees is the number of trees that are going to be fit, and so this is equivalent to B, that number of bootstrapped training sets, and so I'm going to set that to 1,000. And then learn_rate, that's that lambda parameter that slows down that boosted learning so that we're making sure that we're not overfitting and also getting an opportunity to look at a whole bunch of different trees. And so I'm going to set that to something small and positive, in this case 0.001. So then I fit the model just like I would otherwise. I just plug in that model specification. I still use my same I can use my formula, or if I had a recipe, I could plug that in. I can put my data, or if I'm doing cross-validation, I can use fit_resamples and plug in my resample data set. I could use tune_grid and plug in my cross-validation if I wanted to tune something, etc. And so I want to take a couple minutes and look at this code and tell me what you would change if you wanted to tune B, the number of bootstrapped training samples. So see if you can figure out what you would change there, and then maybe see what you would change for your when you're actually running your model in order to do that. Instead of using the fit command, what would you use if we were doing some training?